Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up photos using Google One. If you want your photos to be safe even if you lose your phone, Google One makes it easy by backing them up through the Google Photos, and once backing up is turned on, your photos are automatically saved to your Google account and synced across the devices. So first you need to make sure you download your Google Photos through your App Store or any of the Play Store and simply open to your Google Photos there. And once you get into this interface of your Google Photos, in the top right corner, we can find this an option from your profile icon there. Tap on the profile icon. And over here, you'll get this option for it to back up. You can tap on the turn on back on, and that is it. And you can allow the permission, allow access to all of the photos, keep app fresh in the background. And after that, photos upload automatically when you have internet. This app is open and you can view them anytime in the Google Photos. And after backup, you can delete photos from your iPhone to free up space, and they will stay safe in the Google Photos as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.